Is your point of sale screen layout dull, monotone, or just too hard to read? Does it have enough flexibility to meet the specific needs of your business? Is it tailored just to fit retail or hospitality? What if you could design your point of sale screen exactly the way you wanted it? Impossible, you say? Hi, Matt from Positive Outcomes, here to demonstrate how SwiftPOS is easily adapted to meet the specific needs of any business owner with the total flexibility required to get the most out of your team. The keyboard template begins by choosing a resolution with enough options to fit the majority of screens. You can then choose a set layout or completely customize how you want the screen to appear. The possibilities are endless. The customized fixed buttons will appear on every layout page, and these can be turned on or off at the beginning of the setup. You don't have to use them, but they're pretty handy. When you've chosen your optimal layout, the page and design is up to you. There are a multitude of built-in functions and programming options. Plus, you can load in your own images. If text buttons are more your style, different font sizes and colours are achievable in the easy-to-use design interface. There are no limits on text characters per button, it's just size dependent, and item prices may be displayed or hidden. The great feature with SwiftPOS is the ability to create different size buttons with ease. You are not locked into the parameters of a set grid. The shape, position, and ultimately the use of each button is entirely up to you. Each layout page has the ability to have buttons as products, modifiers, drop-down search tables, links to more layouts, and instruction items, as well as payment finalizers. You are not limited by categories and subcategories to create layouts. Don't you wish your current point of sale system was this flexible? Then perhaps it's time you talk to us.